One of the most important budgets you can plan for in your business is your cash budget. A cash budget is a projection of all your cash deposits and your cash disbursements for a given period. When thinking about your cash budget, there's a few things you'll want to consider. For deposits, you should account for expected cash sales, collections of accounts receivable, and anticipated loan proceeds. For disbursements, you should consider raw materials, payroll, advertising expenses, rent, utilities, tax payments, major equipment purchases, debt payments, and general office overhead. I've prepared an example cash budget for fourth quarter of 2019 to help illustrate how to project the most important part of this process, which is your incoming deposits. For the month of October, I've projected that we will sell a total of $600,000. However, I know from historical records that I'll only collect 98% of what I sell on credit. That leaves me with $588,000 in credit sales and cash sales of $90,000 for the month. Next, I have to consider what deposits I will collect from credit sales that I've sold in the past 3 months. I also know from history that I will collect 58% of my credit sales in the first 30 days, 40% in the following 30 days, and 2% 90 days or the third month after the credit sale has taken place. Considering these factors, the total deposits I expect to collect from my customers in October is $406,110. Now I take my collection number and plug it into my cash budget. I know that I ended the preceding month with $25,000 in cash. I have also projected I will disperse $411,527 to cover all my bills and debt expenses. That leaves me with $19,583. I have an internal requirement of $25,000 on hand at all times as an emergency buffer. Therefore, I will need to borrow $5,417 this month to bring my cash on hand up to the required level. Budgeting is critical to running a successful business and helps to avoid any surprises or anxiety at the end of the month. If you need help with your budgeting, give us a call at 615-312-9050 or check us out online at wswcpas.com.